process of making up an exhaust. There's that bought one we got. What I'm going to do is cut this stupid fitting out, and I'm going to zap this straight to there and clean this thing up a bit. It's a bit of a piece of crap, so we're going to fix that up. And in usual custom winder style, I thought, fuck it, I'm going to make a better exhaust. So I'm in the process of doing that. There's our exhaust gasket. I'm going to shape that centre hole out to make the same shape as that D shape. And it should make it go a whole lot better. Right, boys. I just shoved a heap of bloody steel wool in this little muffler. Pretty much that's the shit there. The stainless scarer, I jammed 2 of those in there. I don't know how it's going to work, I've never done it before, but we're going to give it a go. We'll zap the end on, whack a little tail for it, and we're all done. Boys, we're just about to mount up this exhaust. This is the way I like to do it. Set up that piece there for a start. Just got it all tacked together. And then position that other part. And I'll take it to work and give her a good TIG weld, and I'll put the other washer on the end of this thing, make up a little tail for it, and we're on a winner. So I'll give it a bit of a clean up and a bit of a, I'll set it all up ready to go, and I'll show you what she looks like, and we'll show you the finish item a bit later. Here she is, boys. I've just tacked it up using the trusty old arc welder. I could weld it up here, but I'd rather have a really nice finish on it, and I'll take it to work and TIG it. I'll open that gap up just a touch, get a full peno weld in there. We can grind it all back and make it look all schmicko, and should work a treat. It's a bit chunkier than that other little thing, but that's how we roll. He's looking good now. I've got a few more little bits and pieces there before we take her out. Still waiting on our race suits. They should be here by the end of the week, hopefully. So next week sometime we'll head down the track and we'll get a bit of footage for you. Rear bumper came up looking pretty sweet. Well, hang on, boys. We finished our exhaust off. I've got to bolt it up. Still in raw steel at the moment. I'll give her a paint job. We'll paint it black. She's come up pretty good. Little stainless end on the end. Not real good. Might even wrap the header pipe itself with a bit of that exhaust wrap, just to keep the heat down. My back's right there. Just waiting on the other bits and pieces. We can get rid of that tank. Got the other one to sit right there. Hopefully our suits get here tomorrow too. That'll be really good. Any questions? Hit me up in the comment section, and I'll get straight back to you.